Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we have a big project coming in the garage, so stay tuned, you'll see what that is. As we're going to talk about the Mach 1 a little bit today, because a common question you see on Facebook forums and everything, people talk about a misfire and they say, I've changed the plugs and the coil packs and still can't figure it out. And so I went down that same road a while back, and basically when the car was in closed loop, meaning the O2 sensors are giving information, it's taking readings from the MAF, everything like that, that's when I would get the bad misfires. Under wide open throttle when it's in open loop, or when you first start the car up, it seemed fine. So people have those same symptoms and they say, what's causing the misfire? And so in my case, I chased everything. I changed crank position sensors and everything, even injectors, because I was getting a code for it being lean or even rich. I can't remember, one of the two. But in the end, it ended up being the front O2 sensors. So that's my suggestion. If you're having a bad misfire and you've already done coil packs and plugs, then I would look at the front O2 sensors. There's always the chance that, O2 sensor wire has melted. It's up against the exhaust. That's happened a lot too with people. But the O2 sensors are a little bit different now from Ford. The last time I bought them, they were the green OEM looking ones. Now these ones tell you to bundle them up, so hopefully they're a little longer and that make it a little easier to install. But this is what the car sounds like. So you can clearly hear that misfiring, the popping. The car almost sounds cammed. But anyway, that's the sound that you'll expect to hear as the misfires. And it got so bad that the shaker would rattle as it was just driving down the road. So hopefully this video helps. Stay tuned for more content. Got some good things coming up. Thanks, guys. What's this thing? Looks like a T56 bell housing.